Good night. Right now I'm going to talk about reckless agriculture practices. Climate change is here and it is a clear and present danger to our entire world. Of course, we didn't need another report or notice to tell us this. It is more than evident and clear when we go outside and feel these really high temperatures we see every single day, unusual weather, the disappearing wildlife, and also the falling farm yields. And sometimes this is a topic that people really don't like to talk about, but there's a specific reason this is happening, and it's because of all the use of industrial scale chemical agriculture. Reckless farming practices cause a big damage to our world, like cutting down entire forests and using chemicals and fertilizers, pesticides for everything we do, using big machines to mix the soil we use. This releases a massive amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. These practices that we've been using lately are damaging our world, and they also eliminate one of the best ways that the nature has to restore and reuse carbon in our atmosphere. One of the clearest examples we saw this year was in the Amazon forest. We saw this big uh, fire caused by people because they wanted to expand their agriculture areas. But what has been done about these things? So we need to go back to what our ancestors did. They used organic ways to produce crops and to feed animals. They used compost. They didn't use too much. They didn't use chemicals. They used crop rotation in order to take advantage of different nutrients that different plants produce for the soil, and this way we can reduce the carbon dioxide that goes into the atmosphere every single year. So first thing is soil health. If the soil is healthy, the crops will be healthy, and we can do this by doing simple practices like incorporating soil or organic material into it. Second is animal welfare. Almost everyone wants that the animals can be treated well, but it is a fact that nowadays in the biggest food factories animals are treated really bad in bad conditions and hard that are considered heartbreaking. And just to finish the video, the last aspect to cover is social fairness. Everyone wants to be treated well, so people who work in the fields need to be treated as well too. These people are the ones in charge of feeding us, so they must be treated well.